How many of you are excited that it is Friday night? You know, you get to sit back and relax. It's just a continuation from your Thanksgiving holiday, right? It's Thanksgiving weekend, and I hope you have nothing planned other than hanging out with the family and watching some Christmas movies. That sounds fantastic. I wish I could do that, but no, we got a storm to talk about, people. Unfortunately, the first winter storm of the season appropriately is coming in during the first day of meteorological winter that begins on Sunday. And it's all going to start with some clouds rolling in later in the day tomorrow. I think most of your Saturday is decent. Partly sunny skies. We're brisk. We're cold, but we'll get through it. It's Sunday morning that we're going to start the day off with a wintry mix, some ice across northern Jersey, and that could create some travel headaches up until about noon or 1 o'clock even. Then the warm air is going to win out and we'll see just a plain old rain. But I do think a secondary area low pressure is going to develop, and it looks like some accumulating snow across the entire New York metropolitan area up into the northwest sections of North Jersey. Some of you could get over 4, 5, 6 inches of snow in the higher elevations. And that's what I'm thinking right now. By tomorrow morning, I will issue an official accumulation forecast map. I promise you that. 39 in Philadelphia right now, 35 down in Atlantic City, 39 for New York, 33 for New Haven, 28 degrees in the Erie, PA area. Winds are out of the northwest. We have some clouds out there, but not that big a deal. The thick, dark, dull clouds are down to our southwest. Here's our storm system that's going to start to take shape. Coming through the Ohio Valley, through West Virginia, getting into Virginia. Clouds start coming into South Jersey by mid to late afternoon, up into our neck of the woods by tomorrow night. And this is what we have to wake up to on Sunday morning. See, what's going on here is we have high pressure up to our northeast, and that's damming some cold air. It's like building a wall, all right? It's pushing it against the warmth that's coming in, and you get this precipitation, and it's cold enough at the surface where you could be dealing with some snow or a wintry mix, and that's early Sunday morning, making things rather treacherous to drive, especially in the higher elevations. But look at where the wind is coming from. On Sunday afternoon and evening, it's way too warm for snow and ice, except in the higher elevations, and then we see that transition over to a heavy rain, and then by Monday morning, that's when we have our secondary low develop. Now, I got to tell you, these are very tricky situations, right? This is a Miller B type storm, and we talked about it in my winter forecast a couple weeks ago, and it's reliant on the transfer of energy from the parent low to the secondary low. And that has to happen at the right time or things just won't fall in line, all right? We got to figure out, is there going to be enough precipitation on the back end of this thing to convert into snow? I don't know the answer to that right now. I'm leaning towards a yes on that answer, but we'll see. By Sunday night, not a whole lot going on. We kind of get a lull in it, but it's by Monday morning, and then through the day on Monday afternoon, we could see areas of snow. So right now I'm thinking mainly north of Edison and New Brunswick. That's where we remain mostly snow. In the pink shaded area, this is the tricky part. This is the battleground zone from southeast Pennsylvania all the way along the I-95 corridor into New York. I do think that you could stand to see 2 to 4 inches of snow. We're going to see ice over to rain, over to snow, 4 to 6 inches up to the north, and then along the barrier islands and the coastline from Asbury Park down to Cape May, mainly rain, a coating maybe to an inch if the storm overperforms. This is definitely a northwest event. There are the forecast thoughts right now. In no way a forecast yet. Okay, this is just an initial thinking process. Tomorrow I will release that official forecast map, but I think these numbers are in line with the data coming in. So stay connected on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's at Nor'easter Nick. We'll keep you one step ahead of it all. We'll drop down into the lower 30s tonight, 32 in Edison, 31 for the Big Apple, 32 in Howell, and 33 in Toms River under partly to mainly clear sky. Sunny tomorrow, decent up and through the evening hours, 44. A north factor of a 5 only because it is going to be rather cold out there. We're cloudy, we're raw. We have a wintry mix in the morning on Sunday. Then in the afternoon, we'll see that flip over to a rain. Just not a nice day. 7-day forecast, I guess it's kind of wintry, right? I mean, lower 40s, middle 40s, well below average any way you look at it.